Base 101, we back live, YouTube. So we gotta put our tire back in here under the car last week. So this is how you let the bang down. See the little thing on drop. You take a tire rack or 19 millimeter. Go back down here. Turn it until this piece come all the way down. All the way down. Oh, see it drop it. Let's go, get it all the way down. Go down. We gotta go down some more. Take it all the way down, y'all. Alright. Lift it up. Alright, y'all. This gotta come back out because the top side gotta be up. You got an arrow right here. Don't make this mistake. You're gonna start over. Oh, okay. I got y'all. The back side down. And the shield side up. Yeah, like this, y'all. So now this shield will be up. Tire side down, like I said the first time. This gonna go against the back. This gonna go against the front. Alright, y'all. Look, y'all. Alright, y'all, we got it. Tighty, you just have to pull this strap all the way. Don't take it to this one. Pull it all the way to this one so make it tighter. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching.